Assalamu alaikum. My name is Haroon. Today I'm going to be solving some basic integers. For example, if the question is 9 plus bracket open minus 2, the answer would obviously be 7 because plus minus is equals to minus and minus minus is equals to plus. So plus minus is equals to minus. So we will do 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7 is the answer. If you have another question like 7, negative 7 plus 4, this means it's going to be negative 3. Because 7 is a bigger number, that's why we put a minus with the 3. So the answer would be negative 3. Let's give another example. If you have 3 plus bracket open minus 5, this means it's going to be negative 2 because plus minus is minus. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. If you have another question like negative 6, negative 6, 1 minute, sorry. Negative 6 plus bracket open minus 8 bracket close. This means that the answer would be negative 14. We take this because if we take this minus, and this plus, this means that minus plus is minus. And if we take this minus and this minus, this means it is plus. So we will do 6 plus 8. That is negative 14. We did negative because the negative sign is with 8. 8 is bigger than 6. So the answer would be negative 14. If you have a question like this, 27 plus bracket open minus 13 bracket close, this means that plus and minus is equals to minus. So 27 minus 13 is 14. We didn't put a minus because it is not with 27. It is not with 27 because it is a bigger number. That's why we put 14. Negative is not with 27. This means we are not going to put a negative in the number 14. You have another question like this one. Yes, this one. Negative 25 plus 15. Sorry, plus 11. This means that the answer would be negative 14 because minus plus is minus. 25 minus 14 is 4. 25 minus 11 is 14. So if you have a question like, for example, this 16 rows, the answer would be negative 2 because 14 is here, plus minus is minus, meaning 14 minus 16 is negative 2. So the answer would be negative 2. If you have a question like negative 12 plus bracket open minus 15, the answer would be negative 27 because minus plus is minus. Minus minus is plus. So 12 plus 15 is negative 27. Again, we put negative here because 15 has negative and 15 is bigger than 12. Let's give another example. If it is 7 plus bracket open minus 3, this means that we are going to put the number 4. So plus minus is minus and 7 minus 3 is 4. So the answer would be 4. If you have a question like this one, 6 plus bracket open negative 4 bracket close. The answer would be 2 because plus minus is minus and 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer would be 2. 2. If you have a question like this one, bracket open minus 7 bracket close plus 3. This means the answer would be like negative 4. Because minus plus is minus. 7 minus 3 is negative 4. We put negative because 7 has negative and it is bigger than 3. So we put negative 4. If you have a question like this, 6, bracket open, negative 6, bracket close, plus 4 plus 4. This means the answer is negative 2 because minus plus is minus. 6 minus 2 is negative 2. Now, let's do this one. Bracket open, negative 7, bracket close, plus bracket open, negative 3, bracket close. We have a question like this. The answer would be negative 10 because minus plus is minus. minus is plus. 7 plus 3 is negative 10. Negative 10. So we put negative because 7 has the negative and it is bigger than 3. Now, let's do the one last question. This. Neg- Bracket open, negative 6, bracket close, plus, bracket open, negative 4. The answer would be negative 10 because minus plus is minus, minus is plus. So 6 plus 4 is negative 10. So I hope you found this interesting and informative. So hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Jazakallah.